Hey guys, what is up? It's coming back again with another trade review for March 20th, 2024. And today is a big news news day. We have the FOMC, 2 p.m. Eastern. And so most of the time on these days, I will just trade until noon. And today I found two opportunities for breakouts. And I was trading breakouts initially when I first started trading, transitioned to pinpoints, then back to reversals, kind of settled on reversals. However, in this market, the way it's been trading, if you look at the SPY, even today, it's in a tight range. And I used to do well on these days where there is a range set. These lines are pre-market high and low. And the price would just bounce between these levels. Now, I'm finding it extremely hard, especially this month of March, to get any follow through on my reversals. I play them with a tight stop, and it's stopping me out. A lot of break even days, and so today I found two breakout opportunities. One on DKNG, and this one moved without me. Looking at the 60-minute, you can see the pop here right at 9:30. So I'm looking for just a tight range or consolidation on the 60-minute, and then I will also look at the daily to see what the daily direction is. Are we day one? Are we day two? Are we day three? And do we have a minimal amount of resistance? And in this case, I'm looking to the left, and we have this large 60-minute bar. And so thought process is I'm waiting for the market to open, and I'll play it two ways. I will play it where it'll just take off, which it did. Let me change this to a 1 minute. See what I mean? You can see it right here, right at 9:30. Just a huge order came in where you can play the initial move, or you can get in on the pullback and play it to your target, which was what I was looking at, was to play it to 44, right at the top of this 60-minute candle, 44.62. Looking at these candles a little bit on to kind of see where it goes, but the majority of my position would be out if we're seeing major resistance here. But I did take BILI for the same reason. So the daily, I was looking at the price kind of curling around off of this 9 moving average. So I'm looking also at the level 2. I'll pull over bookmap so you can kind of see historically what I was looking at. I was looking at this. So here it is, popped at the open, and we had large order 12:30, 12:35, 12:52. We've got all this liquidity to the top. Now I knew that it wouldn't hit. I mean, it could potentially hit. I was going to take everything off at 12:50 or carry a small position to see how much further the price could go. And with this market, it's crazy. The SPY's been trending forever. And that was the thought, take it off at 12:50, hold on to a small amount. And it just popped at the open and could not get over 12:30. So I actually added into this position. Let's see. Expand this 1 minute. Right here. So you have this huge candle here. I have a tight stop. I was 8 cents, I believe. And once it made a new 1 minute high, it's almost played like an orb. I added into the position. Exit at break even. It's hard to, and I'm managing these manually. I don't have a limit on in the morning. These are all hotkey market orders, and it did make it. It did test this $12 level. I don't know where we are right now. Did it break? No. I still have it on my radar. If we can get above VWAP, and I can see some type of initiative buying or some type of move, I will potentially look at it for 12:30. But again, seeing that it's FOMC, most of my trading is done for the day. And that's it. It's just a small move today. I will take the rest of the day to journal my trades, see where I can improve, And like I said, this month's been rather tough. So, you have to have rock solid confidence. You have to have belief in yourself. You have to believe in your setup and then continually play that setup as you would any other day. And, when you have multiple consecutive losses, or you're running a red month or a red week, or, red months, it's hard to continue perform at an A+ level if you have any self-doubt whatsoever. It completely clouds your thought process, clouds your judgment. So that's first and foremost. And again, that's why I've heard it before. We are mental athletes as traders, and this is extremely difficult because it tests you on every level, emotionally, physically, and yeah, that is it. I do have one mentoring spot left, as well as 3 more spots left in my private Discord. I'll put all the details below. If anybody's interested, that's zprotrader.com. I also have information. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and yeah, that's it. So I hope that everybody had a great trading day, and I'll see you soon. Peace.